New hunters codes, brand new hunters codes. In today's video we'll be going over and redeeming every single new hunters code. Let me actually for some reason it all reset. Why is it all reset? Okay, now it's fixed. Bang. For this video we'll be going over and actually redeeming all the new hunters codes. Guys, if you want the brand new dual dagger scrolls, the animated cosmetic, one of these two, 4.5. Wait, so this one is insane rare, but these are the pack bundles, the limited time pack bundles. You can, it's like a CS:GO quiz. Yo, that is cooked. Do not gamble. Roll 5 weapon at once for 500 Robux. Yo, that is crazy. Okay. Double luck. I'm still making my mind up, okay? But if you want mega luck boost, guys, mega luck boost, you can get it right now by commenting down below hunters. Comment down below hunters and you'll be getting mega luck boost. I'll be choosing 2 winners. 2 people will get mega luck boost into this video. So if you need mega luck boost, comment hunters. Other than that, let's see. Should I just buy 100x luck? Should I just buy it? No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Right? Not yet. Okay, not yet. Maybe in another video. I don't like spending the Robux myself. I like gifting the Robux. If I join, please donate right now. You can see I have so much gifted Robux because I will never just actually complete this game. So the first code that you actually want to release. Wait. Yo guys, yo, can you hear me? The first code that you want to redeem is going to be very special. It's going to be Brandon Lease. It's the rebrand Lease Wildy, but it's actually release. So make sure you guys redeem the code release. Let's see. Yeah, it's literally code release. Make sure you guys redeem the code release. Already redeemed code. Let me go over to the secret announcements. Nothing, huh? Wait, I found it. Let's go. AP April 100 luck. Alright guys, so this is going to be an upcoming code. Can't redeem it yet, but if you redeem it in 1 week, you'll be getting insane luck in April. This is, the developers are working on the game right now, and they told me that this is going to be an upcoming code, but they have to release one update. They have to release the first update. When they actually release the first update, they'll be able to actually release this code, as well as the Rosh Wildy code, So Rosh Wildy, shout out to Rosh Wildy, real. Okay,